on this day. We are living in an extremely dark period in the existence of mankind. Noah and Lot would have been able to relate perfectly to the times you and I are living in. Decadence and debauchery have become the norm. Homicides, violence, crime, and civil unrest are increasing. The moral compass of individuals are eroding quickly. This world has surpassed the wickedness and immorality of Sodom and Gomorrah. At the rate things are going, life will not be able to sustain itself much longer. Many world governments are bankrupt, and other governments are teetering on the edge of total